the attack on our presidential candidate, Right Honorable Raila Odinga, you could easily see the kind of coordination. You could easily see the kind of skills that the youth had in terms of even retreating when the police were firing in the air. And that is a clear indication that these youth have been trained, have been given some basic security drills and training, and that they have paramilitary know-how. This is very dangerous. And I want to speak on behalf of ODM party that we feel and smell that something is going on in this country, that some people who have already sensed defeat are actually trying to organize our youth, using them and taking advantage of the desperation of our youth, giving them some basic drills and trainings in order to use them after the August 9th general election. And therefore, the government should not just treat, much as we appreciate the action by government and the swiftness and the speed with which they have dug into this matter, even summoned 2 members of parliament to write statements and arresting some youths. But the government must go deeper and find out if there are some Kenyans who are training our youth in order to misuse them. I don't even want to say use them after the general election. And the character, the behavior of some of our politicians are known. And from the anger that we see coming from them, you obviously see that someone is preparing this country for very bad things. And that is something that as a party we cannot take lightly. And I'm speaking because this is a party that is sponsoring a very strong presidential candidate.